This is the secret to making your desserts taste 100 times better. Yup, a homemade filling or a compote that tastes so much better than store-bought and yet takes hardly 7 to 8 minutes to prepare. Start by cooking together raspberries, sugar and lemon juice until the berries soften and break apart. Do a taste test at this stage and adjust by adding more of sugar or lemon juice as required, as no two berries are the same. A pro tip here is to keep your compote a bit on the tartar side to balance the sweetness of the desserts. Then add corn flour and stirring continuously, cook it further until the mixture thickens and starts coating the spatula. Once thickened, transfer it to a bowl to cool completely and cover with a cling wrap to avoid formation of skin on top. Apart from using it for regular cakes, cupcakes and cheesecakes, you can use it in cookies. A fusion recipe for Diwali is coming up next using this, so please do consider subscribing if that interests you, and also with coffee donuts, the recipe for which is coming soon too. So